how to make any website on Google Chrome in the dark mode. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make any website on your Google Chrome in the dark mode. So first thing we do is we go to Google Chrome and then you go to Chrome Web Store. You will find it here or you can find it here. As you can see, you will find it here. And then you have to search for Dark Reader. As you can see, then choose the first option, and here you go. It has more than 4 million users. Now you click add to Chrome and click add extension, and after that every website on the Google Chrome will be in the dark mode. As you can see, it's a good tool for readers, and also it's good for the eyes of the user. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.